Today we're talking about safety data sheets. And this comes under OSHA's 29 CFR 1910.1200, their hazard communications rules. All companies have to have, if they have chemicals, safety data sheets for their employees. What is a safety data sheet? It is a sheet of facts about that particular chemical. Each chemical you have has a safety data sheet, and you must have that safety data sheet on the premises for your employees to know how to use it, how to protect themselves from the usage of it, what PPE, how to dispose of it, will it cause fire, will it cause cancer, and so forth and so on. There's 16 sections on the safety data sheet. Now, as of 2016, safety data sheets are the rule of the day now, and not the old material safety data sheets, which were much more laborious to read. The new safety data sheets have pictures called pictograms on them. Easier to understand if it's flammable, easier to understand if it's reactive in some way. The old MSDS sheets did not have that. Now, you're not supposed to be having books in your facility that say MSDS any longer. It's supposed to say SDS, safety data sheets. They're updated, they're new, they're easier to read, and I strongly urge you to make sure that you are up to par with the new hazard communications rules.